want to see this thing here wrong, man. Is this Tony Thorne? Yeah. Well, they got this thing on violent. Yesterday, they had it leaving so hard it wouldn't. Now they ain't even got it on. They ain't wearing the motor pads. They must have had an oil leak yesterday. They trying to, I don't know what the hell they doing. All right, Ford Take Life. We got tickle fits in the house, y'all.
Look out.
He all the way focused and shit.
What?
I say you over here focused.
Look out.
Look out, look out.
Mama tell your friend.
Yeah, I got them telling everybody now.
And your grandpa don't know how to work his computer that good.
If they don't know how to work the phone, make sure they subscribe too. You got about 15 minutes.
There, you need to get them picked up. Once again, you got about a 10-minute call off Joe at 900.
She done tried to change the 10. She must have been watching my video. Right lane for the win. Right lane gets there first. Lane for the win. Yeah, that was a Malibu. That was Lee Stewart out of Shreveport. Tough break for Bull Pole. Shakes the tires loose. Y'all think you're gonna make a full pass or no full pass? Choose this side for full pass, choose the other side for no full pass. Okay. loose. Kept going.
When that second kick come on.
They said when that second kick come on, that's when they shake them tires loose, y'all. So that was a no full pass. Let me see, did y'all get, oh nah, the score was tied. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got coming up. We got another one. I'm finna start a poll. Y'all think he gonna make a full pass? Hey, can you have moderators on TikTok? Okay.